And what we're going to do now is talk about how to customize your sidebar on your blog post page. And you can add whatever you want. And it's also going to show up on the individual blog posts. So if you want to customize the sidebar, what you want to do is go back to your WordPress website. And we're going to hover over our website name and click on widgets. And once you're on the widgets page, what you'll notice is that you have some available widgets on the left-hand side. And then right here on the right-hand side is the sidebar section. And by default, there are some widgets already included in the section. If you want to delete any of these, you can just click and expand it and click on the delete link right here. If you want to add some additional widgets, what you want to do is find the widget that you want to add. And then you can click and drag it into the sidebar. Or what you can do is just click and expand this, select the sidebar, and then click add widget. And that's going to add the widget into the sidebar section. Okay, so if you want, you can pause the video and add whatever widgets that you want into your sidebar for your blog posts and blog post pages. Otherwise, we're going to move on to the next step. And what I want to do is talk about these additional widgets in the footer section for the next step. So let me just show you on the home page. So if I go down on the web page for my WordPress website, what you'll notice is that we have some footer widgets down here. And what we can do on the widgets page is show you how to create and customize your footer to look just like this. But before we do that, what we have to do is create some navigation menus so that we can insert them right here and also right here. So what I think we should do is actually just move on to the next step, which is going to be showing you how to create your header menu and then some footer menus down here. And then we can come back to our widgets page and customize the footer section. So what I want you to do is go back to the WordPress website that you're learning how to make, and we're just going to move on.